We'll guide you through how to run Python on Notepad++. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, head to your computer desktop, double-click the icon to launch the application, and wait until it finishes loading completely before continuing. Make sure Python is already installed on your computer. Next, take a look at the upper left corner of the Notepad++ window and click the File menu to display the available options. From the list, select Save As, and a pop-up window will appear asking where you want to save the file. Browse to a convenient location, such as your desktop, so the file will be easy to find later. In the File Name field, type your preferred file name and make sure to add the .py extension at the end, since this identifies the document as a Python script. After entering the file name, click the Save button to create the new Python file. With the file saved, type or paste your Python code into the blank editor page. Once you finish entering the code, press Ctrl+S to save your latest changes. Next, click the Run menu on the top menu bar to access the execution options. From the drop-down menu, select Run to open the Run dialog box. Press the text box command in the middle of the pop-up, then enter the following command to execute the current Python file. If you plan to use this command again in the future, click the Save button in the dialog box. Enter a descriptive name for the command, such as Run Python, and then click OK to store it for future use. After the command has been saved, click Run to execute the current Python script. Wait while a command prompt window opens automatically and displays the output generated by your program. Finally, check that the script completes successfully and confirm that no error messages appear in the command prompt window before closing it.